Good afternoon and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Kristen. Are you a YouTube content creator or you are one of them that are upcoming? Today, we're going to be looking at how you can maximize your earnings by using these important features. These important features made me move from 1 subscriber to 10 subscriber, and at the same time they made me increase my visibility and my reach. We are talking about the end screens, we are talking about the cards, we are talking about the thumbnail, we are talking about the ads placement, and we are going to go ahead and look at subtitles. So are you one of us? Have you been our royal viewer or our subscriber? If you've not been one of us, please, I would welcome you. Thanks for watching us and thanks for allowing us to be on your screen. And for you who have been following us, I give you a thumbs up. You have a place in our hearts. So as you know, Immaculate Show, we are there to give tutorials. We're there to provide love, to extend a hand of love. And how would we extend a hand of love? By bringing all the methods, all what we have learned, all the experiences, and even from other people on how to make sure you use your phone, that gadget that you have in your hands, or your laptop. Is it a smartphone? Any kind of a smartphone, you make it to earn money. This is how we are going to increase our earnings on YouTube. It's from experience that it has worked for me, from one to other, and I'll be giving you some of the experiences. I'll be giving you some of the practical things that I've really seen them make me move from $1 to $5 to $10 to $50 on one video. So let's dive in and see these essential elements one by one. First, we are going to talk about the end screens. The end screens, they are those final 5 to 20, even they can be around 5 to 15 seconds of your video where you can add clickable elements that prompt viewers to watch more of your content, subscribe to your channel, or visit even the website, or visit even other important data that you attach. Why are they important to you and how have they helped me? Well, end screens keep viewers on your channel like the way that we kept viewers on my channel. An example is one of this video. You can look at it. This video, I put the end screen, and the followers, the previous videos that were there, they were doing badly. But the moment the people watched this video and it went viral, you can say it is above 900, which is a bit abnormal for my channel. It made also other videos to be watched, and they kept growing. So well, end screen keep viewers on my channel longer. They increase my overall watch time, and also they are critical factor for YouTube algorithm. The longer people stay on my channel, or even on your channel right now, the more likely they are there to engage with ads, which means more revenue to you and at the same time more reach. By guiding viewers to your other videos, you increase in chances and the content of being recommended with YouTube. You know what we love most here is for our content to be recommended. I really feel happy. If we go to the algorithm of this, I can show you almost 90-something% of the viewers were recommended, not from any other source, but recommendation from YouTube. So I encourage you, all you people, if you know you have not been using end screen, you have to use it. Your algorithm is your friend. The only thing they want is you to do what is needed and what is good. So the next one, let's talk about it's so simple and so beautiful, and I know most people have not been using it. Let's talk about the cards. These cards, they are so good. As you can look at the screen right now, these cards have been doing so marvelous for me. The time I came to learn about it, and I came to learn about from a research and tutorial from one of the lady called Ruth Ohema. I've been talking about it. When I came to know about it, I started engaging them. So what are these cards? These cards, they can be pressed anywhere on your video. You can press them in the middle, in the end, even at the beginning. And these cards can be in different ways. They can be one, you can put them in form of a video, or you can put it in form of a playlist. But I always put in form of a playlist, such that whenever someone clicks on it, it means this person is engaging the video and will continue watching even related videos. What do I always do, you're going to find it in the next paragraph. These are the cards are those little notifications that pop up during your video, suggesting other videos like playlist or even external links. Cards are fantastic for keeping your viewers engaged, especially if you notice a drop-off point in your analytics. By strategically pressing your cards, you can redirect viewers to other relevant content on your channel. Like for example, my channel is all about making money, how to make money using your phone or around you or within you without any investment, by using the grants, by using the funds, even the jobs that someone can do while on another job without investing or putting a lot of time. So the moment you redirect them, they'll keep engaging your content. Even the content which was not being watched before, you'll find it is going to be watched. So maintains the interest and it boosts my watch time. So I know the moment you do it, you guys, we are going to increase the earnings of YouTube, the earnings of why we are here as content creators or social media entrepreneurs. Remember this, more engagement means more impression, which translates to higher earnings. If we talk of impressions, I always, let me show you like this thing of the picture. It means like for example, if one person has clicked on your video, maybe it can be like one impression. So suppose like 1,000 people have clicked on your video, that would be a high of impressions. So please, your earnings will be increased by the impressions also. Let's talk about another factor that really that has kept me on my toys, and I feel that's why my earnings are going higher, and at the same time the reach is increasing. It might not increase in the first day, second day, but with time you find they are moving forward. We are talking about subtitles or closed captions. This closed caption, I always put words within the video, but also the moment you upload your video, you're going to find when you're doing the editing and you're setting up everything, they are telling you to put closed captions or the subtitles. So now on to subtitles and closed caption, you people, it is very, very beautiful that over 85% or 90% of videos on social media are watched without sound. I'm the culprit. I'm one of the people that don't always watch. So what I do, I always go, if maybe I'm busy, I put it on and I'm very inquisitive to learn something, I will be seeing, not listening, because you find sometimes I'm in the car with other people, or you find I don't want what I'm learning people to know. If I'm at work, I just read by reading the captions, the subtitles that are put on videos. So if it is to me, what about to other people? So by adding subtitles, you can make your content very accessible to a wider audience, also including non-native speakers and those with hearing impairments. This includes also, it can also make by the way your engagement rate be higher, as viewers are more likely to watch videos through reading the captions than listening. YouTube indexes and algorithms really improved, especially when this is added there. So you guys keep doing what you're supposed to do, especially on these subtitles, such that your rankings on SEOs can be increased, and also your videos can be discovered, it can be searchable, and this will automatically increase our views and it ends up increasing our revenue. It has happened to me. I can do other things, but I can never forget to put subtitled closed captions. I cannot forget to put all these ones. Now let's go to another one that has sweetened me, that I always not forget to do it. It's ad placement. Ad placement, it is one way that I also came to learn from people who have already made it, the influencers. This is whereby you find you alter the ads. You alter the ads. There are already original ads which are put on your videos, but because you want your revenue, you want your ads to be added, you want the revenue to be increased, I go ahead. There is a provision for like you alter the ads. So instead of putting 3 ads, you put like 4, 5 ads. But this one you have to make sure you put it with wisdom. So let's now look at it in depth. When you press ads in your video, you can make a significant change, of course, in earnings. Instead of 2, there will be 4. YouTube offers several types of ads. It offers pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll. Among others, pre-roll ads are shown before your video starts, then mid-rolls are in the middle, but these mid-rolls are always put on the videos which are longer than 8 minutes. So the longer, the more the mid-rolls. In particular, if at all your video is less than 8 minutes, they will not put, you cannot alter the ads. So you guys, you know that altering these mid-rolls, it's a game changer for you and me. It has done me well to the extent that my CPM increased from some amount of money like to double. So if you know you have a video which is 8 minutes and above, please do this. Insert other multiple ads, increase your earnings by doing this. But be careful, overloading your content might make the viewers drop off. Why? Because people might get tired of the ads. So whenever you're putting this, put it when you have wisdom. Then the key to find balance that maximize your revenue without compromising the viewer experience is by making sure that instead of 2, if the YouTube is putting for you, go ahead and put for yourself 4, but you press them very well. Can I got another one which is very beautiful, and I think you will like it. You will love it like me. I've always loved it. It's a thumbnail. This thumbnail is beautiful. When I came to learn of it, if you look at my videos which have worked very well, some of them is as a result of the thumbnail. How do you come to learn how to make thumbnails? You can use Canva, you can use Olympics, you can use there are very many ways to make your Canva. You find the templates are there and you use them. Also, what I had to develop is to go and look at the people who have already made topics in like my own topics. So I go there and check exactly how did they do their thumbnails. I don't copy and paste. What I do, I get an idea and come and do it. Then the second thing on the thumbnail, what I also did, I got an idea from the school I attended. It's for YouTube. So what I do, I make sure that my thumbnails are intriguing. My thumbnails leaves you in suspense. My thumbnails should make you feel, okay, let me click on it, I see what it can be. However, I don't always make them be different from the topic, because I came to learn the moment someone get interested and opens you because of thumbnail, if he finds something which is not similar or rubbish, it is not interesting, will drop off. And the moment someone drops off, it means it is going to affect your earning. So there you have it, by effectively using Endscreens, cards, subtitles, and ad placement, you can significantly increase your earnings and reach more viewers on YouTube. These features are not just add-ons, they are essential, people. These are essential tools, and any creator looking to succeed on this platform of YouTube, you need to use them. If you found this video, guys, very helpful, please, I would love you to put your comment, put your mind in the comment section. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to tell us your views, and also don't forget to share to any other content creator. So thank you very much. Have a blessed weekend. See you in another video. God bless you. See you.